problem, the first order rate constant for the decomposition of ethyl iodide that is C2H5 I gas, it becomes C2H4 gas plus HI gas at 600 Kelvin is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 per second. Its energy of activation is 209 kilojoule per mole. Calculate the rate constant of reaction. At 700 Kelvin. Okay. So for the decomposition of ethyl iodide can decompose as to form ethane and hydrogen iodide at 600 Kelvin is given. Okay. So that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 per second. The rate constant at T1 temperature is given at 600 Kelvin. The rate constant, that is K1, is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 per second is given. Then energy of activation is also given. A is what? 209 kilojoule per mole. Okay. So how to calculate the rate constant at 700 Kelvin when temperature is 700. Okay. Then what is the rate constant? Okay. How to find out the K2 value? So at two different temperature, okay. So rate constant can be calculated by, log K2 by K1, that equals what? EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. So how to find out log K2? We take log K2 by K1, that is equals to EA. The value of what? EA is 209 kilojoule. So 2.303. The value of what? R. So the value of R is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay. So here the R value is in terms of joule, but EA value in terms of what? Kilojoule. Therefore, it should be converted to what? Kilojoule. So that is 8.314 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. So T2, what is the value of T2? 700 minus T1, that is 600 by 700 into 600. So the value of what R is 8.314 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. So finally 209 divided by 2.303 into 8.314. So that value, it may be nearly 19.23 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So 700 minus 600 is nothing but what? 100 divided by 700 into 6. 7 into 6 is nothing but what? 42. 42 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. So finally 100 there divided by 10 to the power of 4, nothing but what? We can convert into 10 to the power of what? Plus 2. Okay. Plus 2 10 to the power of minus 3. So 209 divided by 19.23 into 4.2. 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 2. So, nothing but what? Minus 1 s into 4.2. Okay. So, this value it may becomes calcium. So, it may becomes what? 2.5877. Okay. Log K2 by K1 value is that much. Then, so K2 by K1 is equals to, K2 by K1 is equals to anti-log of 2.5877. So, anti-log value for 2.587. So, 58 under 7, mean difference 7, 58. 58 is the log of nearly it is 39,3900. So, 2 is nothing but what? 2 is nothing but what? N plus 1 rule, 2 plus 1, nothing but what? 3. So, after 3 digits, so I have to put 10 point, then log K2 by K1 is 390, then so how to find out the K2? K2 is equals to K1 into 390. So, the value of K1 value is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 390. Then that value is 1.6 into 390. So, 624 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So, that is per second. Yes. Now, you see, for the decomposition of what ethyl iodide is given, ethyl iodide can decompose us to form ethane plus hydrogen iodide. So, energy of activation is given, A value is 209 kilojoule per mole. How to find out the rate constant at 700 Kelvin? Rate constant at 600 Kelvin is given, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. How to find out the rate constant at 700 Kelvin? That is K2, how to find out. Energy of activation is given, we know that R value. So, here A is in kilojoules, therefore, R should be kept it in kilojoule. Then log K2 by K1 is equals to A by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. So, A value is 209, 2.303, R is 8.314 into 10 to the power of minus 3, T2 is 700, T1 is 600 divided by 700 into 600. So, finally, we can get it in value 2.5877. Okay. So, that is log K2 by K1. K2 by K1 is equals to anti-log of, if you take the log to the right side, then it becomes anti-log of 2.5877. 5877 anti-log value is 3900 almost. Okay. Then, so if it is 2, then 2 plus 1, 3. After 3 digits, you have to put 10 point. Then K2 is equals to K1 into this value. Okay. Finally, we can get it this answer. Then, next problem. The rate constant of a reaction at 500 Kelvin and 700 Kelvin are 0.02 per second and 0.07 per second respectively. Calculate the value of what A and A. How to find out the value of what E and A. Okay. So first we will capture the A. A have to find out energy of activation. So rate constant at 500 Kelvin, that is K1 value is what K1 value is 0.02 per second when temperature is 500 Kelvin. Where K2 value is what? 0.07 per second when T2 it becomes what? 700 Kelvin. Okay. So how to calculate EA? So by using a formula log K2 by K1, that is equals to EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. This is the Arrhenius equation at two different temperatures. So log of K2 value is given 0.07 by K1 value is given 0.02, that equals EA by 2.303 into R, the value of what R is 8.314 into T2 is 700 minus 500 by 500 into 700. .07 divided by 0.02, nothing but 0.35. Sorry, 3.5. Log 3.5. Log 30 value is 47. Log 30 value is 4771. Log 40 is 6021. Okay. Then, so 35 value. Log 35 value is so 4860. Nothing but what? 1.2, 0.12 into 5. So 0.12 into 5 is nothing but nearly it may become what? 5400 or 535. We may consider 5400. So characteristic value for 3.5 is 0. Okay. So nearly it becomes what? 5400. EA by, so that is around 19.23 into 700 minus 500, that is what? 200 by 7 5s are 35, 35 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. Where EA equals 0.500 into 19.23 into 35 into 10 to the power of 4 by 200. .54 into 19.23 into 35 divided by 200. That is 1.817 into 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4. Yes. Once again, 0.5 into 19.23 into 35 divided by 200. It is 1.68. 10 to the power of 4. That is what energy of activation, that is in terms of what? Joules, joule per mole. Then how to find out the value of what? EA. Okay. So we know that EA value is known. Then how to find out the A value? That can be calculated by K is equals to AE to the power of what? Minus EA by RT. Okay. So R we may write it log K is equals to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT minus EA by 2.303 RT. So, how to find out the value of at A? So, log K value we know that the K value, so at a particular temperature we will take, so at a particular temperature means what, at 500 Kelvin if we take, that is what 0.02, that equals log A minus of EA by 2.303 into R. The value of R is what, 8.314 into T. So, T value how to take at 500 Kelvin. Okay. So, log 0.02, the characteristic value for 0.02 is 2 bar. 20 under 0, that is 3010. 20 under 0, that is what? 3010. Okay. So, that equals log A minus of, so if we can get it negative log, how to do plus 1 minus 1? Okay. Afterwards we will do EA by, this value is 2.303 into 8.314 into 500. So, that is 9573.575. So, then plus 1 minus 1 we have to do, plus 1 minus 1 is nothing but plus 1 for this, that is plus 1 minus 2, that is what, minus 1 bar, minus 1 only 0.3010, nothing but what, 6990, log A minus the value of what, EA, the EA value is 1.68 into 10 to the power of 4, 1.68 into 10 to the power of 4 is nothing but 168000. Okay. So, divided by 9573.5. 16800 divided by 9573.5. So, minus 1.6990 log A minus 1.75, where log A equals, so 1.75 minus 1.6990. Okay. 1.75 minus 1.6990. 0.051. So, log A value is 0.051. Then, where A is equals to anti-log of 0.051. Okay. So, 0.0, it is the anti-log of, nearly it becomes what? So, 1600. Okay. Then, so 0 there, 0 is there is nothing but what? Nothing but n plus 1. Okay. N plus 1 is nothing but 0 plus 1, 1. So, it may become what, 1.6. Okay. Yes, that is what the value of what A. So, the rate constant of a reaction at 500 Kelvin is given. At 500 Kelvin, rate constant is 0.02. So, rate constant at 700 Kelvin is given, that is what, 0.07. I have to find out A. So, by using a formula, log K2 by K1 equals EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. K2 is 0.07, K1 is 0.02, EA, how to find out? 2.303, 8.314, that we have to substitute. 0.07 divided by 0.02, 3.5, log 3.5 is nearly 0.54, okay, where EA becomes what? 1.68 into 10 to the power of 4. Then, so how to find out A? How to calculate A? A can be calculated by K is equals to AE to the power of minus EA by RT. Log K is equals to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Right? So, how to find out log A first? So, log K value is, K is 0.02, okay? If it is 0.02, when temperature is 500. A value we know that. So 8.314 into 500. So 0.02 log value is 2 bar, 0.30, 20 under 0, 3010, okay, log A minus 16800 divided by this value. So if it is log value is negative, then have to do plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 for minus 2, then minus 1 for this one, that is minus 1.6990. Log A minus 16800 divided by 9573. Okay. So like that, finally we can get it log A. Log A is 0.051. So if A is nothing but what? If you take the log to the right side, then it is anti-log of 0.051. That is 1.6 value. Right. Next, the rate of reaction quadruples when the temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of activation of the reaction, assuming that it does not change with temperature. So, the rate of reaction quadrupled when temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. When we are increasing the temperature, okay, when we are increasing the temperature from 293 to 313 Kelvin, so the how to find out the value of what EA? So when the temperature does not change. I mean, when the temperature is T1, when T1 temperature is 293, so if the rate constant value, that is what K1, the K1 value it may be X. When the temperature increases up to 313 Kelvin, okay, then, so what about the rate constant? Rate constant it becomes quadrupled, means what? The 4 times the rate constant will increase. So I have to find out the value of what EA. So how to calculate the value of EA? So log K2 by K1 equals, EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. Log of K2 is 4x divided by K1 is what? X. EA by 2.303 R, that is 8.314, okay, into T2. T2 is what? 313 minus 293 by 293 into 313. 4x by x, nothing but what? 4. log 4 value, characteristic 0, 40 under 0, 6021. Then EA by 19.23 into 20 by 293 into 313, where EA equals 0.6021 into 19.23 into 293 into 313 by 20. Six zero two one into 19.23 into 293 into 313 divided by 20. So 53092.0. That is in terms of what? Joule per mole. Okay. See, T1 temperature, rate constant is X. T2 temperature, rate constant will be quadrupled, means 4 times the rate will be increases. How to find out A? K2 is 4X, K1 is what X? A how to find out? 2.303 into 8.314. So log 4 value is 0.6021. Okay, finally we can get it here. A value is this much. The time required for 10% completion of 10% completion of first order reaction is reaction at 298 Kelvin is equals to that required for its 25% completion. At 308 Kelvin. If the value of A is 4 into 10 to the power of 10 per second, calculate K at 318 Kelvin and EA, energy of activation. So far, the time required for 10% completion of first order reaction is reaction at 298 Kelvin is equals to that required for its 25% completion at 308 Kelvin. The value of what A is, the value of A is given, that is 4 into 10 to the power of 10 per second. So calculate the K at 318 Kelvin. So how to find out the K value? To find out K, I mean where K is equals to AE to the power of minus EA by RT. Okay, R. So log K is equals to log A minus of EA by 2.303 RT. So here, to find out K, we need that EA. So first you have to calculate EA. EA can be calculated by where log K2 by K1 equals log of K2 by K1 equals EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. Okay. So to find out EA, so we should calculate first K2 and K1. Okay. So K1 can be calculated by first order kinetic, that is 2.303 by T into log of R0 by R, the initial concentration divided by R. So where K1 is calculated by when initial concentration is what 100, okay, the R value it may become what. So initially is what 100 minus of what, the 10% completion. The 10% of the reaction is nothing but what, 90% can left behind. Time required for 10% completion of reaction, nothing but what, the left behind it should be 90. Okay, then 2.303 by T into log of 100 by 90. Done. So like that you have to calculate K2. K2 can be calculated by K2 is equals to 2.303 by T into log of, so R0 is 100. So when 25% of completion, 25% of completion is nothing but what, if A athwa R0. If the R0 value is initially is 100, then the left behind should be 25% reacted means what? So 100 minus 25, nothing but left behind it becomes 75. Okay. So 100 by 90, nothing but what, 10, 1.11. So 100 by 75, nothing but what? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is nothing but what? 1.25. Okay. Then, so this value becomes 2.303 R. We will substitute here only directly. So log of K2 value is 2.303 by T into log of 1.11 divided by R. So here we will calculate the logs. How to see the log for this? Characteristic 0, 11 under 1. 11 under 1 is nothing but what? 0.044 nearly. So that is characteristic is 0. 12 under 0. 12 under 0 is nothing but nearly 44. That is nearly 0.8. Okay, 0.8 or it may become what? 10. So into 0.044 divided by 2.303 by T into 0.10. Okay, these two cancel. Okay, 0.044 divided by log 0.044 divided by 0.1. Nothing but what, 10. 10 is nothing but, so 0.44. Okay, that equals, okay, EA by 2.303 R value, that is 8.314 into T2 minus T1. T2 value is 308 minus 298 by 298 into 308. This value is 0.44. EA by nearly 19.23 into 10 divided by 298 into 308. Okay, where EA becomes Yes, before that, to see the log for this value. So 0.44 characteristic, I mean uh, characteristic value, it becomes what, 1 bar. 0.44 means 44 under 0. 40 under 0 is 6021, 50 under 0 is 69990. So 44 is nothing but what, nearly it becomes 6400. 645 nearly. Okay. Okay. So if the log value is negative, then how to do? Plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 nothing but what, 0, minus 1 nothing but what. So nearly 355. That equals A by 10 divided by or we can write where EA becomes 1.925 into 298 into 308 into 0.355. 1.925 into 298 into 308 into 0.355. 62722.8, that is joule per mole. Okay. So then we will substitute the value of at A here. Log K is equals to log A. So the value of A is given. The log value is 4 into 10 to the power of 10. Okay. So minus A value is what? 62722.8 divided by 2.303 into 8.314 into T. So how to find out the K when temperature should be at 318 Kelvin. So log 4 into 10 to the power of 10. So 4 into 10 to the power of 10 is nothing but we may write log 4 plus log 10 to the power of 10. 10 to the power of 10 is nothing but what? 10 into log 10. Log 10 value is 1. That is what? 10 plus log 4 characteristic 0. 40 under 0, 6021. Then total value is 10.6021. Minus 62722.8 divided by 2.303 divided by 10.30. So nearly it becomes 0.3021. So log K, where K is equals to anti-log of 0.3021. So 3010 it is the log of what 20. So therefore K value it may becomes what 20000 nearly. So 0 means what n plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So that is where K equals what 2. Okay. You see the time required for 10% completion of first order reaction at 298 Kelvin is given. That is equals to that required for 25% completion at 308 Kelvin. Okay. So how to find out the K value when A is what 4 into 10 to the power of 10 at 380. So and how to find out EA. So first you have to calculate EA. To calculate EA we need log K2 by K1 equals EA by 2.303, this is formula. So here how to find out the K2 and K1. K1 is how to calculate by using first order kinetic 2.303 by T into log of R0 initial by left behind. So initial it is 100, left behind is 90. Why? 10% completion. 10% reacted means what? Left behind should be 90. Then K2 2.303 by T log of R0 that is 100, 25% completion, nothing but what 75 left behind. 1.11, this is 1.25. Okay, log 1.11, it may be 0.044. This is it may be 0.1. Okay, then so how to find out the K2 and K1? Okay, so log K2 by K1 that equals EA by this equation. K2 2.303 by T into 0.044. This is 0.1. EA. Okay, so T2 is given 308, T1 is given 298. This value it may be 0.44, 0.44, the log value is characteristic 1 bar, 44 under 0, 645 nearly, plus 1 minus 1 have to do, that is 0.355. EA by this value, finally we can get it EA. By knowing EA, we can calculate K. Where log K is equals to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Log K value is given. A 4 into 10 to the power of 10. EA is given. I mean, we know that. Finally, we can get it K. Log K. Log K is 0.30, where K is equals to antilog of 0.3021. Means nearly it becomes 2. Okay. So how to do K2 by K1. So here somewhat substitution is wrong. Log K2 by K1. So but we substituted here K1 by K2. Okay, so I'll do it once again. Okay, K2 value is 2.303 by T into log of that value is 0.1 divided by K1 is 2.303 by T into 0.044. That equals A by 2.303 into 8.314, 313 temperature, 308 minus 298. these two cancel, 0.1 divided by 0.044. Log of 2.27. 29.8 into 308. So characteristic 0, 22 under 7, 20 under 0, 3010. So 25, 3971. 22 is nothing but what? So it may becomes 34. A equals 0.34 into 19.23 into 29.8 into 308. Okay. Three four into 19.23 into 29.8 into 308. 60010.2 nearly. So A we know that we can calculate log K is equals to log A minus A by 2.303 RT. Log A value is, so 4 into 10 to the power of 4, 10 minus A, that we may write it nearly so 6 into 10 to the power of 4, 2.303 into R, 8.314 into T. The time it becomes 380. This is what? 10.6021 minus divided by 2.303 divided by 8.314 divided by 380. 9.85. 10.6 minus 9.85. Where K is equals to antilog of this 0.75. 0.75 antilog value, 75 is the log of nearly 59, 60, 50 is 6990, 60 is 7840, nearly it becomes 56 or 58. Okay. the decomposition of A into product has value of K as 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3 per second at 10 degrees Celsius. And the energy of activation is 60 kilojoule per mole. At what temperature would K be 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 per second. 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 per second. See, the decomposition of what A into product. So, solution, the A can decompose us to form product. Okay. So, as the K value is what 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3 per second at 10 degree. When temperature is T1, K1 value is at 10 Kelvin. K1 value is what 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3. And energy of activation is given 60 kilojoule per mole. So, what temperature would be K becomes, means K2 becomes 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 per second when T2 temperature. Means you have to find out the T2. So, formula log of K2 by K1 equals A by 2.303 or into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. Okay. So, log K2. K2 value is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4, nothing but 15 into 10 to the power of 3 by K1 value is 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3. E is also given, that is 60 by 2.303 into 8.314. 8.314, that is in terms of joule per Kelvin per mole. 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. But so here it is in kilojoule, then it should be in terms of 10 to the power of minus 3 kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. Okay. 15 divided by 4.5. Log 3.33. So, characteristic 0, 30 under 0, 4771, 33, 33 nearly it becomes what? 51. 16 divided by 3.12 into 10 to the power plus 3. Yes. T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2, that equals 0.51 divided by 0.51, that is 0.163 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So T2 minus T1 equals T1 into T2. Where T2 is equals to plus T1 into T2 into 0.16 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus T2. Okay. So finally we can get it N value. So that is nearly 24.19 degrees Celsius. Okay. So after substituting the value of our T1, finally we can get it an T2 value. Okay. So that value it becomes at 24.17 degrees Celsius. So for the decomposition of what A into product is given, A gives what product. Okay. Log K2 by K1 how to find out. Okay. So I mean log K2 value is what 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4. Log K1 value is 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3, that is given. The A value is also given, that is what 60. 2.303 R T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. Here I have to find out T2. Okay. So how to maintain the T2 minus T1 as it is. Okay. So this is 15 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 4.5. Nearly it is 3.33. Log 3.33 is nearly 0.5. So finally we should get it and what T2. T2 should be 24.17 as by knowing the value of what